Hi everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28188T. This one is black in color. Does have the black matching grille, the black tow hooks down here in the bumper, as well as some fog lights here. This one does have black 20-inch wheels, 5.7 Hemi. Turning signals here in the mirrors. Power locks, windows, mirrors. The mirrors do fold electronically. Does have power gray cloth seats. Nice big center console here. Plenty of storage. Nice feature that I like. You're able to put your phone in here. Nice little phone holder. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to control things like climate control, radio, satellite. Also features on your phone. Here's some more climate control options. Heated seats in the front, tow haul. There's park sense off in the front, park sense off in the rear. So it's definitely going to help you park. Turn dial, gear select, 4-wheel drive buttons. A lot of different options there. This does have the cruise control right here on the steering wheel, as well as phone controls and things to control in your gauge cluster. On the back side of the steering wheel on both sides, there are buttons to help control with the radio, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road at any point. Real nice little touch. Take a look in the back here. It does have folding seats. Now, something I really like about this, all the way across, even underneath this one, there's a platform that folds out. Now, if you're carrying things like that you don't want to carry back here, you don't want them to get weathered, this would be a perfect little platform to carry them on. Also, nice little feature in the back underneath the rug, you have a little compartment here that's removable. So if you want to put ice in there to keep your pops cold in the summertime, that's a good little hiding spot there underneath the back seat. This black does seem to kind of have some flake in it. Probably shines real nice in the sun. Black emblems, rear view camera, chrome muffler tips, as well as the black hitch kit that's already set up. In the beds of these trucks, they do have lighting, so at nighttime you'll be able to see anything you're doing out here. 4x4 emblems all blacked out. They blacked this whole truck out. Real nice unit here. Again, this is a 2018 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28188T. My name is Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.